Hello to everyone, I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today I want to speak about first conjugation with some examples to you memorize this better. So let's speak and let's start from the first letter ya. It means I. So ya, and after that, if you are using some verb, if it's a first conjugation, you should know that the end of this verb should be ending at u or u. So u. For instance, the verb to read in Russian it's a читать. So if you are using it with я, you should use читаю, the verb читать, changing to читаю with this end. Читаю. You see here? Я читаю. And to be better for someone who still can't read in Russian, I put here some English letters, but it's like okay, it's helping you to read in Russian, but you should promise me that anyway you start reading Russian. Okay, so next word, next one, it will be we, мы, with the end ем and yeah, мы читаем. For example, ем and ем, I guess. So if you can say we are reading in Russian, it would be мы читаем. You can see читаем. We are reading. Мы читаем. Do you see here? This is the end of the word читать. But you should remember that читать should be different at the end if you are using with the different cases. So, читаем. Another one, you, as you remember, we have formal you, and it can be plural also. And like you is familiar, like for you as a person, and maybe in English you can be for the plural, for someone who's older than you, or for some baby, or for sister. You can say just you, but in Russian it's different. In Russian, if it's a formal or plural, you should say вы, but would be better and correct if I show you like that. Вы with the capital letter. If it's someone older than you, or to show him respect or her respect, your respect, you should not forget about capital letter. Capital letter V. Oh, where's my red one? I have V. It's capital letter V. But at the end will be ете or йоте. For example, you are reading. Вы читаете. Ете at the end. Where is that? Вы читаете. Вы читаете. Again, it's for someone who can't speak Russian. Okay, can't speak, maybe you can, but you can't read. and it's a good help for you to start, by the way. So, читаете. Читаете. It means вы читаете, you are reading. You are reading. So, if it's not formal and not plural, you should say you. It's not formal, you should say ты. But be careful with someone who is older than you, and if you want to show respect, you should use вы. But if it's your friend or someone like you spoke with him before or with her, you can say ты. It's not capital letter here, just ты. Ты at the end will be ешь or ёшь. So, for example, ты, you are singing, ты поешь. You see ёшь at the end. But if you are reading, ты читаешь would be ешь at the end. Ты читаешь. You can see here also ты читаешь. Do you see? It's not difficult. Maybe if you look it like that, it's so difficult, messy. But if you are carefully checking information, is my Russian friend. Do you see how he's careful? Checking every letter, spying. So, if you are checking all letters, you can see ты, space, читаешь. And even here, I spell it for you to be more understandable. Читаешь. Can you see? Here also, another one, he, she, it. So, but by the way, it's easy because at the end with on, he, она, she, оно, it, the same ending at the verb, any verb. So, for example, он читает, he is reading, он читает, on here space, by the way. And after that, читает, он читает, he is reading. Она читает, she is reading. Again, you see, читает. Читает, she, he, it, the same. Она читает, she is reading. Он читает, he is reading. It читает, okay. Оно читает. So in English I can't say, right? It. No, I can't. But okay, you can understand what I can say. I wanted to say. Она, space here, она, читает. It's a one word, but I try to pronounce it more easier for you to be understandable. So, читает. Okay. They, они. At the end you can see ut or yut. so funny guy. Ut or yut. Or, for example, you can see они means they are reading. Читают. Они читают. They are reading. Они читают. You see? Они. But они, you can spell it just o. Они. Они pronounce it. Be careful here. Они. Они. Они читают. Они читают. Okay. So, okay, let's say we'll speak Russian. Я читаю. I'm reading. Ты читаешь. You are reading. Он читает. He is reading. Она читает. She is reading. Мы читаем. We are reading. Вы читаете. You are reading. Они читают. 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 They are reading. So, do you see? But this one, it's a first conjugation. I want to show you second one, and you can see how it's a bit different.